Google. Let's go get him again.
What's going on, Fragrance family? Welcome to the Robes 08 channel. I'm your host, Mark, and this is your weekly update for this week for you to see if you're going to be checking it out, or you're going to be tuning in all week, half the week, certain ones that you're going to be checking out, or you're going to skip the whole week altogether. This is the DS and Durga week, as you see here, Mancera, and a bunch of designers in the back end. Unique week, I guess, an interesting one. This video is usually posted on Mondays, so if you haven't checked it out, I have posted my subscriber's choice for you to choose what I'm going to review. That usually happens at 10 a.m. Eastern on Tuesdays every week. That video is up, but your feed might not have shown it because I'm shooting this video today. It is Tuesday. I was a little busy over the weekend, couldn't shoot this video, so this one's coming on Tuesday night before the mayhem starts, basically. So let's get into it. Wednesday all the way down to Sunday. Let's start it off. And as you can see, they're unboxings, but they're not, because they're testers. There's no point of me unboxing a plain white box with the tester. So DS and Durga week, yes. We'll start it off with Mississippi Medicine. It is one of the rare DS and Durgas that I did not sample this year, but the tester pricing was too good to be true that I had to get this one. I perused a little bit of the reviews and tried to figure out which ones I was going to be buying. This was one that I had to get, so it's going to be my very first thoughts on this fragrance. Of course, no unboxing, but a first impression on that one. You'll want to tune in on that one. Very interesting scent. Next is Thursdays, Test Drive Thursdays, and we have Mancera. It is a brand that you get very few fragrance reviews from me on my channel, and they're very few and far in between. I am definitely a fragrance reviewer that does not own 20 plus Manceras in their collection. I know they're good for channels. You get a lot of hits, and they're very cheap as far as a niche, especially at discounters. For me, it is what it is. This one's Hindu Kush. I bought this one back in 2019, the big bottle, alas, not the small bottle. So I'm looking forward to giving you my thoughts on that one. It's definitely not as, if you're thinking, marijuana-ish green, like heavy patchouli, maybe some vetiver, something very green, you'll be sorely disappointed with this one. Honest take. And how many fragrance reviewers are talking about this after raving about it way back when it was launched? Not too many at this point. Next, on Friday. Friday's another unboxing, but not really because it's a tester. This is Amber Totonic, a discontinued DS and Durga fragrance that I had to get my hands on. It is a tester, as is this one. I do have a samples on this, so it's not going to be really a first impression, but it's been a while since I've smelt it, and I like that I have a bottle now, so I will shoot the video and give my initial impression. We'll see if it matches up with my samples. It should, but I'm excited. That one was impressive to me, that I needed to get a bottle, and I'm happy I did, because it's gone. It's axed from the line. And now on the weekend, you guys made my life difficult. The subscriber's choice was a tie. There are two fragrances at the top that just tied. And I don't have time to... I have time to do two reviews, but I don't have time to reshoot that and go, okay, what's your choice? Or put it in a poll. I don't really care. I'll just review them both. So that one, you're going to get one on Saturday. I don't know which one yet. And then you're going to get one later on. It's either going to be Sunday or Monday of next week. If I do have the time, I will give you a double sample on the weekend, one in the morning, one in the afternoon. We'll see how that works, but testing has started on all three of these samples, but we'll see which one you'll get. You'll get at least two, three maybe, if I'm on my A game. So the winners, because it wasn't just one, is 1 Million Royal. So that is going to be the sample, and then the other one that tied with it was Armani's Armani Code Absolu. So those two are going to get reviewed by me and it's sampling samples. Thank you for everybody that voted. You guys stop doing that. Don't make them tie. Now you're going to make them tie because you get more content. That's what's going to happen now. People are going to be calculated in their voting. Anyway, either way, it's nice to get 2 designers out of that and kind of freshen up the lineup a little bit. Once you take out 2, you get 2 new ones. And then lastly, a designer scent from Hugo Boss, and this is the scent I never smelt the scent. I blind bought a few flankers from this line. I wanted to start to collect this line, so I wanted to see what the original did. I had this official sample for probably years. It's been a while. Again, I got tons of samples. Like I'm saying, I'm trying to get rid of them here. So finally give my thoughts on it and then move on. So there it is, your week. As always, I love the comments below. You know, if you're passing on this whole week, you're checking out certain ones and why. I just love reading those just for certain reasons, just to see what you guys like to see. Next week we do have a loaded week, a very good week actually. I got a couple unboxes that I'm excited about. I'm actually going to be unboxing them, so those are going to be exciting, but a lot of work ahead of me, a lot of content in front of you. Hopefully you'll enjoy it. Designer heads, I got you fed. And the niche heads, I got you fed too. So you're both should be full this week. So at the end of the day, thank you for your support, and see you tomorrow with this little guy right here. Thanks for watching.